In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange files effectively using Dropbox, whether you're collaborating with others or simply sending and receiving files. This video will guide you through the various ways you can share your files seamlessly. Let's start with the basics of sharing files or folders. You can share any file or folder stored in your Dropbox so that others can view or edit them as needed. If you're using the Dropbox website or app, begin by locating the file or folder you wish to share. Once you've found it, click on the Share button. This gives you the opportunity to choose the access level for the recipients, whether you want them to have editing permissions or view-only access. After deciding, you can either copy the share link and send it through your preferred communication method, like email or chat, or you can directly invite users by entering their email addresses. It's worth noting that recipients don't need a Dropbox account to see or download the file, depending on the sharing settings you've applied. Now, if you find yourself in a situation where you need to receive files from other people, Dropbox has this wonderful feature called File Requests. With File Requests, you can allow others to upload files into your Dropbox. To set this up, go to your Dropbox account and create a file request, then select the folder where you want these files to be stored. Once you have set your file request, send the link or email invitation to those who need to send you files. This is incredibly user-friendly since the people you're requesting files from don't need to have a Dropbox account to upload files. Everything they send will be added directly to the folder you've chosen, making it an efficient and straightforward way to collect files from various contributors. Lastly, whenever you have the need to send large files, perhaps as a final deliverable, Dropbox Transfer is the feature you'll want to use. To create a transfer, you can use the Dropbox website, the desktop app, or even the mobile app. Once you initiate the process, you'll upload the files you want to share or select files already in your Dropbox. This feature also allows you to set optional transfer controls like passwords, expiration dates, and download notifications, offering an extra layer of security. Once you've set your preferences, Dropbox will generate a link that you can share or send via email. Your recipient will be able to download the content without needing a Dropbox account. That's it for our guide on exchanging files with Dropbox. I hope this helped you understand how you can share, receive, and send large files effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy file sharing.